प्यार से मिला, हम उसी के हो लिए, हम उसी के हो लिए, जो भी प्यार से मिला।
Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back to my channel. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe it and press the bell button for notification. Okay, so today it's not a bike. You must be wondering by seeing the title of the vlog. So I'm not touching the bike because I cannot do that for 3 months due to some injury. I will explain everything, what happened to me and how serious it was. It was not that serious, it was a minor injury, but the treatment was little bit tricky actually. Okay, anyway, today I'm on my car, so this is the first time I'm doing a vlog through the car actually. So okay, so let me tell you what happened to my hand. I don't know if you can see the mark on my hand. So I had a surgery on 2nd week of January. Okay, so the reason, first of all, it's nothing serious, nothing like that, but the next 3 months I cannot ride because of after surgery the doctor told me 3 months I have to take the rest. I said okay, 3 months is not a big deal. So it's January is almost done because 2nd of January was the surgery. So now February and March, 2 more months to go. So yeah, now most interesting things, how this happened. So actually it happened in the month of September. August I bought my new bike, and this happened exactly 14th of September. By the way, I have my friend also along with me, Narendra. So he was also there when this injury happened. Okay, I will come to that. So in 14th of September I went to a place called, it's near my home only, called Yeur Hills. So it's not an off-roading patch actually, but if you go furthermore there will be an off-roading area. But what happened, my bike got stuck in the mud actually. My back wheel started spinning and the bike went to the left side. It leaned to the left side, and my left leg also went little deep. So what happened, bike leaned to the left. It was about to fall on the left side. I put all my effort to save the bike. So because of that, the entire load of the bike came to my left hand wrist. Okay, so at that time I didn't feel much, but and to be honest, I was unable to get out of there, and he came and he helped me. He was also with me. So we went for a breakfast ride to the Yeur Hills. So normally we used to go there. So because of this load came to my left hand wrist, at that time, okay, there was little bit pain. I went home, I took rest actually, but next day the pain started. It was little bit more actually. So I didn't went to the doctor because there was no swelling, nothing actually. So there was the pain actually. I thought it will come down maybe after a couple of. I did wait for 1 and 2 weeks actually, and after 2 weeks what I did, I went to a place called Vaidyanath Dam. You might have seen my vlog actually. I did a vlog to my Vaidyanath Dam trip. So there it was 150 kilometer one side, up and down 300 kilometer. And while coming back, I started feeling a pain while applying the clutch actually. And then I thought, okay, it's not good to carry like this. It's not good to go continue with this pain. So one of my told me to go for an Ayurvedic treatment. So here in Mumbai, I went to an Ayurvedic doctor. So I told this is what happened, and so he said okay. So he did some massage on my hand, and after that he told me, he gave me a tablet or something. I don't know whether it's a painkiller or something, or maybe to heal the injury. So he said you apply this a kind of lotion or cream on my hand and use that grip bandage and keep it there for 1 week or maybe 15 days. I did that for 10 days, and after that also the pain is still there. Then I went back to my hometown. My friend told me that you come here, there is a nice Ayurvedic doctor is here. So he also did the similar treatment, like he put us, his treatment was like that. He will apply some cream. Actually it was looking like a mehendi or something, that green color stuff, and he also put some bandage, and he told me that you have to come on every alternate day and you have to do this for 3 to 4 times, then everything will be okay. I did that 3 to 4 times. Meanwhile, I went in another place called Tenkashi. There is a vlog for Tenkashi trip also. You can see, if you see that particular vlog, you can see my bandage on my hand. And yeah, so I did that for a week, and no change. I mean, there is no relief. The pain is still there. Pain means only particular moment when I apply the clutch or when I try to use my thumb finger to horn it. So some area I feel the pain, but it was manageable. I can ride also, but I thought it's not good to continue like that. Then last I went to the hospital. I took the X-ray and doctor told me that yeah, there is a fracture. I put a plaster for 3 weeks, and most interesting thing, right after putting the plaster, next day I drove up to Bangalore. There was a marriage, so I don't want to miss that marriage. So but it was a manual car, so Bangalore is from my hometown, it's around 450 kilometers. So using one hand I drove up to Bangalore. While coming back, so because when I reached there, they also surprised why I'm riding with one hand. So coming back, they told me no, don't go alone. So one of my cousin also joined me, so he drove back. Okay. So the 3 weeks I put the plaster and came back to Mumbai. I removed the plaster and still the pain remains. Now what to do? Okay. Then again, went to another doctor in Mumbai. He told me that take the MRI, because now you did all these things, still you are saying that the same pain is there. We will have to go for an MRI. I did the MRI, and the MRI told the story. Everything came out from that MRI. So there is an area I don't know how to pronounce, Scuffles, or maybe that's not the right way, but that's the most doctor miss that particular injury. That's what one of my doctor told me. So this doctor told me he cannot make this treatment. For this treatment you need to do arthroscopy. So what is arthroscopy? They inject a camera on your hand and they look at what happened inside. Accordingly they do the surgery. He told me, he gave me a reference of one doctor called Dinshaw Padishaw something. Then and he's there in Reliance Dhirubhai Ambani. You can go and meet him. So I called him to book the appointment. The interesting thing, the hospital guys told me no, we cannot give his appointment directly. You have to call his private secretary, PA. I called it, and that guy is saying that you will get the appointment only after 6 months. So that means that's for the next 6 months the appointment is already booked. I thought of my hand. Then, and one more thing also, he told me that if it is happened to the hand wrist, this doctor will not take it, because he is looking only for shoulder and knee. Then I said that there is no point to waiting him. And meanwhile I checked it on the internet and I came to know that's a doctor who treated Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Sachin Tendulkar, and there is a wrestling champion Sushil Kumar. Then I realized about that doctor, and I said okay, just go for the next treatment. Then one of my friends sent my MRI report to one of the MD of a hospital called Jupiter Hospital in Thane, and he referred me to another orthopedic doctor. And I went to him. He said that okay, Ajay, this is correct. We'll have to do an arthroscopy, and do the surgery. We'll have to put, I think the ligament has broken, so the bone tube, there is the joint between the two bone that's broken, so we have to put a screw and wire it, and then only it will stable. So he told me these are the expenses for this. It's just like a 1 day only I have to stay in the hospital, next day you can go back home. Then I said okay. Then he only told me that if you want to go for a second opinion, you can do that and come back after that. So I went to another doctor for the second opinion. He also, to be honest, I went to 2 more doctors. So everyone told me, see, everyone is surprised how this happened. I never met with an accident. I never had a fall. So the only thing happened, my bike went to the left side and I just tried to save my bike. That was the biggest stupidity I did. I should have left my bike. Okay, anyway, whatever going to happen will happen. So this injury, I mean, yeah, so all the 2 doctors, both of them said that go for the surgery. Then I came back to the old doctor, I mean the first doctor, Mr. Parag. He was a good guy. He clearly told me this will take 3 weeks, 3 months to start riding and 6 months to hit the gym, because since September I couldn't go to the gym. I couldn't play, even let it be football or let it be badminton, I couldn't play. I put up 5 to 6 kilos weight, that's okay. And he told me, yeah, so he clearly gave me the timelines: 3 months to start riding, 6 months to hit the gym. I was so happy after hearing that. So 2nd January I got the appointment, I did the surgery, and 3rd January, next day immediately I was back at home. It was not a painful surgery, so he told me, he just do the anesthesia only for my left hand. I was conscious, I was talking to the doctor during the surgery, and I have some videos of the surgery as well. I mean, the doctor took it and said. So that's what all happened. Now 3 weeks I put the plaster. Now you can see the stitch is removed. There is a mark. I don't know how long this mark will stay, but yeah. Okay. So what I want to tell you guys, I mean this is my lesson learned from bike riding. If there is a situation where your bike is going to fall or anything going to happen to the bike, you leave the bike. Don't try to save the bike with the cost of your body, because that's what happened to me. If I had left the bike, what will happen? There may be some scratches, or maybe the crash guard could get damaged. Nothing else going to happen. Now see what happened to me. So this anchor, what they have installed, that's a titanium anchor, because nowadays no one is going to put the steel anchor. Earlier everyone used to put the steel. The problem with the steel, when you go for an MRI in the future, that steel anchor will cause trouble. Okay. So this one was titanium, a bit expensive comparing to steel, but it's okay. In the future it won't make any problem if I go for an MRI scan. Okay. So make sure everyone's bike is important to us. It's very close to our heart. I know the machine we ride, everyone will take care of their bike, but don't try to save your bike with the cost of your body. That is the lesson I learned. It may be funny for some guys, but keep this thing in mind. Leave the bike can be fixed easily, but to fix you, as I told my story, how much